Happy Friday, everyone. I'm over at the Snyder job over in Grand Lake. Come by for a little peep. Looking beautiful over here. Beautiful shellac, ivory. This is more of a lap pool. I think this thing, what Chad's, what, is it 40 feet?
Yeah, 40 feet.
40 feet. This guy here is a hell of an athlete. Hell of an athlete. Chad, what'd you think about the pool construction?
Absolutely flawless. Everything. It was all great.
Would you do it again?
Absolutely, 100%. 100%.
Nice. Always great when you got happy customers like this, I'm telling you. Communication's key, doing a good job, taking care of your service work, all that's a big part of this. This is a beautiful shellac, 40-foot pool. Got a nice little sun shelf here with a little bubbler. Got a beautiful spa with the onyx stone on it. Nice little spillover. The spa in this one, I did a king's chair. Chad, you can see, he's a pretty tall gentleman. So we dug out the bottom of the gunite and created kind of a chair, because he's a tall gentleman, for that 4-jet system on your back. We got the 4-head manifold, which gives you a true massage and a triple head and then a single. Most of these ordinary pool builders do not do this. Very rarely will you see it. As you can see, Chad just fired it up for us. How long does it take this thing to get warm? 10, 15 minutes? Wow. Yep. That's with the blower right there. That's with the blower. And you can take the blower down. It makes it a little bit less radical. So we got a nice aqua blue interior. Nice and light. Nice teal blue. Look at this beautiful lake view. Beautiful lake view. I think we've done about 7 pools in here. So make sure you check us out. Y'all have a blessed day. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe out there. Y'all take care. See ya.